Typically, I do not encourage my clients to eat things they can't pronounce, but they are allowed to eat quinoa, so I decided to address that issue today. What makes quinoa different than other grains is technically it's a seed. It comes from a plant in the same family as Swiss chard and spinach, and you can eat the plant, the stem, and the seeds. So it comes from South America, but we as Americans eat it like we would eat a grain. So most bodybuilders or fitness industry professionals are going to recommend quinoa because it is a complete protein, which means it has all 9 essential amino acids, and especially the amino acid lysine, which is essential for muscle and tissue repair. So make sure that when you're buying it, you're going to buy a sprouted brand, and I have one of my favorite brands here that Costco I know carries one as well. This one is tricolor, so it will say sprouted right here. The darker the color, the more ORAC value, the more energy that food is going to give. And just a little tip with the black and the red and the white. So the black is going to be double the ORAC value as the white, and it also nourishes the kidneys, urinary tract, and the bladder. So a 1/4 cup dry, you want to rinse that out, and you can cook it just like you would any other grain or rice. And it'll end up being about a 1/2 cup. That'll be about 150 calories, 27 grams of carbs. You'll get, 6 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber. So it is an excellent choice for a vegan, or if you're going to not be vegan but just want to have a meatless meal, that was a great substitute for that. Anywhere that you have oatmeal, you can also substitute it there.